Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, I am going to talk about the breaking news. So TCS August and November hiring 2021. So friends, from many days, or you can say from many months, I am getting lot of queries regarding the TCS examination. Okay, so which all batch are eligible? Will TCS hire or only the tied up company of TCS is going to hire? Can you write both August and November examination? So is this year examination will be free for 2022 students? So all these queries will be dealt in this particular video. And friends, all the information is 100% verified. As you know, so whatever information I bring it to Online Study for You, if it is not 100% verified, I do not bring it. So all your answers will get right, all your queries will get answered here. And how did I get this information, friends? So I will also tell you. So what you can do, if you want to verify the information which Online Study for You is providing, then you can call on 1-800-266-6282. So this is TCS Ion contact number. So you will be able to get all your queries answered. So whatever queries, the rest queries you will be having, so you can definitely call on that number and your queries will get clarified. So friends, the first query is which all batch eligible. So if you have done your graduation in 2017 or okay, and 2017 till 2020. So if you have done your graduation in 17 or 18 or 19 or 20, okay, or 2021 or 2022, then you are eligible to write August and November examination of TCS. Okay, so friends, so there is one more criteria is there. So you should and must have maximum of 2 years of experience. Okay, so see, either fresher, okay, so either fresher, or if you have maximum of 2 years of experience, then only you will be able to apply for this particular job. I will tell you, like suppose you completed your graduation in 17, okay, and you have 4 years of experience. Okay, suppose you got the job in 18 or 19 and you have 3 to 4 years or more than 2 years of experience, then you will not be able to write the examination. Okay, now, so if you are a fresher, or if you have maximum experience of 2 years, working experience of 2 years. See, if you did in graduation in 2017 but till now you do not have a job, you will be definitely able to write. But if you have worked for more than 2 years, you won't be able to write this examination. So if your graduation year is 2017 till 2022, then you are eligible to write this examination. Will TCS hire or only tied up company will hire? So friends, this year, so if you write the examination in August and November, then TCS will also hire. Okay, so TCS will hire, and all the companies which are, so almost 140 plus companies which are tied up with TCS, they will also hire. Okay, then can I write both the examination? So yes, you can write both the examination, but you do not have to miss this August exam. If you miss this August exam, then you won't be able to write the November examination. That is what information I got from them. Okay, so you need to write the August examination, do not miss it. So you can apply. I will give the link in the description, because many of the students were asking, sir, how do I apply? Okay, now friends, many of the students, those who are going to get graduated in 2022, they were telling, sir, TCS examination will be free for us. No, so the TCS examination this year will not be free for anyone from this year onwards. Okay, so everybody has to write the examination. They have to get a very good score. Okay, and then TCS and the other 140 companies, you will be able to apply and you will be able to get a job. And this TCS Ninja, if you get very good score, then you will be also getting a chance to write TCS digital examination. So friends, perform well in your August examination. Okay, and then you will be also able to write the TCS digital exam if you become a topper, right? So topper is not like first, second, third, fourth rank. So they will decide on a criteria. So then you will be able to write TCS digital examination. I will repeat once more. If your graduation year is 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, then you will be able to write the examination. TCS and both TCS and the tied up companies, 140 plus companies, will be hiring this year. Can I write both exams? Yes. So you can write August examination, okay, and you will be able to write the November examination also based on your score, okay. And then so there will be no free exam. So now free will be removed from the TCS, okay. So you will have to pay and write the examination irrespective of what year you are going to graduate, okay friends. So how do we have this information which nobody else is having, okay. So friends, as I have said you, so we always provide 100% correct information. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, because these are the information which is not confusing and which you won't get anywhere else, okay. So we have got this information from TCS ION, so we are continuously working for each one of you. So you can also call and verify all the information whatever I have discussed with you now, friends. So you have only 1 month of the preparation, okay. So do not think about this 800 rupees, okay. So TCS NQT August and November 2021 new pattern, we have also covered the examination which happened in June, which happened in May, which happened in March this year. So we have covered all the, you will be able to see the content from outside. So see the content and decide by yourself, okay. So we have covered all the previous year psychometric test, SDLC, so everything we have covered, right. So whatever the possible videos are there, we have everything covered, okay. So friends, this 799 rupees course is going to give you a return of 2000 in 2021. So it is going to give you a return of 25,000 per month if you get selected in Ninja, and around 49,000 if you get selected in TCS Digital. So friend, this is the opportunity which you have to utilize. So get the course. You can see, so 189 people have rated this, okay, recommended this to you. So friends, get it as soon as possible. And you also know from our interview, the experiences of the selected candidates, that we are giving a lot of successful candidates, okay. And you can also check our app reviews and the Google reviews. So we have been giving the quality and the student has been utilizing it. So friends, all the information we will be giving it for completely free. And even though if you charge something, so it's a very basic amount which everybody can afford it, right. So thank you friends for this watching this video, and please share it to your friends. So whatever another information you want, please put in the comment box. We will get in touch with the TCS and then we will get the information. So the source also I have given to you. Utilize this opportunity, get all your information clarified. And if you have not yet applied for this, please do apply for this. I will be sharing the link in the description. Write the examination, okay, get a better score so that you will be also applicable for TCS Digital. If you score good in NQT, then you'll have to put very less effort. Otherwise, if you go through Code Vita and all, it will be very difficult. We are also starting the free videos on TCS Digital from tomorrow. So do update it, okay. So like, subscribe and share, and do join our Telegram group so that you don't miss any kind of videos or any kind of opportunity. Thank you friends for watching this video.